Hey guys, I have been needing a new pair of earbuds under my budget for a long time, and I see around 2.5 lakhs of rating of Oppo Enco Buds 2 on Flipkart, and I ended up buying this. And guess what? I got my order within a day. So let's see how is it. And by the way, I'm recording this voice from Oppo Enco Buds 2.
I was love for you, and yesterday I was loving no one makes me feel nice. But yesterday I was loving you. You say, nobody like me, but I can't forget the time that we live, time that we live, time that we live.
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a